Hi guys, welcome again to my vlog and welcome to our farm. So I'm going to show you guys our little farm here in our beloved home, and that is my cousin with her husband, and they are the one who planting this rice and vegetables on this farm. So on this vlog we are going to tour you guys about what they are planting, rice, vegetables, and more. Our farm lot is almost 2 hectares, and we used to plant before many kinds of crops like potato sweet and cassava, ubi, and sometimes peanuts, and that is coconut trees. When my parents were alive, before, there is a lot of crops here, no more trees. And our deep well, where we get our source of water. Going to our house, we use water pump. We are so happy that we have cousins to maintain our farm. Since our parents were gone. Nabok mi dire. Say may pusing-pusing ng kakilat.
Hala, nataligsik na. May wala kag di nga ka ng mga kahoy niya.
This is my cousin, Rosita. She is very hardworking woman. Together with her husband, they are very hardworking workers, and she is guiding me to show her little maize that she plant. So this is the maize that she planted 1 month ago, and she is going to put or apply fertilizer for it. And here is the little eggplant, one of the vegetables that they are planting. And there is string beans. They are so busy working their vegetables daily. And they have sweet pepper as well. This sweet pepper it's been 8 months now, but it's still bearing fruits. It's really nice feeling living in countryside, living in a simple way or life, surrounded with greeny areas, trees and plants, sounds of birds, sounds of insects. Yeah, sounds relaxing and peaceful life. Our neighbor gave us a cassava, so we make cassava, we call it cassava turon. That is our snacks later. It's been a long time I haven't eaten this kind of snacks. It's like a pie with banana inside. My other cousin is preparing a buko juice for our drinks.